Hi guys, Nick here, and today this is going to be the first time I'm going to be unboxing and doing a review on a Blu-ray slash DVD that I got, and a month ago, WandaVision, the complete series, just came out right on steelbook, and earlier today I just got WandaVision at Walmart and got it. And this is what WandaVision looks like. And here's the back of the case. And episodes are on 2 discs here. And there's also some concept art and cards. And just like with Loki. And also some bonus features here. And like I said, this is going to be the first time I'm going to be unboxing something like this on YouTube. Here does outside of Lego or Lego toy. If you enjoyed today's Blu-ray slash DVD, the unboxing review, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified of when new videos upload to the channel. And now it's open it up with the scissors here, and take a look on the inside too. Here one side, I got a plastic off here. Now to cut the plastic a little bit, and now let's whip it off here. And here's the thing that has a part of it. Let's put that in. And put the plastic into the garbage can. And now it's open this out to take a look on the inside. Oh, and of course, Blu-ray, hey, this just has came out. Just going to put that back in. And here's the two discs that comes within the WandaVision complete series. Here's Steelbook. And disc number 1 has Wanda and Maximoff, the Scarlet Witch. Let's take a look at the other one, which has Vision. And here's the concept art card, for WandaVision. And then there are others in there too. And here's the back of the case without the other stuff on it. It has the black and white WandaVision with the car at Westview. And that would be it for today's Blu-ray Steelbook unboxing review. Anyway, I got more other content videos coming out soon. Here, like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell if you're new. And more videos will be coming out soon. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And peace.